Hey everyone, ever wonder what makes us tick? Literally? Let's dive into the fascinating world of the human heart and explore its chambers that keep us alive and kicking. The human heart, a vital organ tucked away in our ribcage, is essentially a pump with four main chambers, two atria and two ventricles. Let's start at the top, the right atrium, where the journey of blood begins. As you breathe in, oxygen-poor blood flows from your body into this chamber. It's kind of like the reception area of a hotel where guests arrive before being sent off to their rooms. Next, we've got the right ventricle. Think of this as the elevator that sends the blood down to the lungs to pick up oxygen. Once it's full of fresh oxygen, the blood heads back up to the heart, but this time to the left atrium. This chamber acts like a sort of quality control, making sure the oxygen-rich blood is ready to be pumped out to every corner of your body. And finally, we have the powerful left ventricle, the main distribution room. It's from here that oxygen-rich blood is pumped out with a force strong enough to reach the furthest points of your body, from your brain to your toes. Each chamber is equipped with valves that act like little doors, ensuring that blood flows in the right direction and doesn't turn back the way it came. It's an incredibly efficient system that keeps us going every second of every day. So the next time you feel your heartbeat, remember it's this amazing orchestration in your chest that's keeping you alive. Thanks for joining me on this quick tour through the heart. Stay curious and keep exploring.